Alright, my sister said hi y'all. Cedric, you know what it is. Check out this single on YouTube at Make a Girl Get Killed.
Make a bird get killed.
Fine, you want a bird to get killed? I'm next to the bird. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Y'all, so hard and nice and the bird gotta get killed.
A girl. Yeah, bird.
Come on, let's go. Come on!
Who are you yelling at? Let's show them the dead bird too.
I'm about to wish this bird a good life. Rest in paradise, girl. Come on, let's go. Make a bird get killed. Make a bird get killed. Make a bird get killed. Make a bird get killed.
That's the dead bird, y'all. Rest in peace.
Rest in paradise, bird. And it's all for you, bird. Make a bird get killed. Make a bird get killed. Make a
Bird get killed.
Make a bird get killed.
Ew, that thing stinks too.
Make a bird get killed. Make a bird get killed. I'm so sorry to hear a bird have to rest in paradise. No. I believe they should stay up alive like me. Come on, let's go. Come on.
I don't know. Yelling at.
Make a bird get killed. Make a bird get killed. Make a bird.
Are you okay? Y'all look. She been really abusive today.
I was.
Look what she did to the kite.
And then I'll beat you next.
Shut up. Leave it. You abusing the kite.
Bird get killed. Bird get.
Hey, I'ma feel.
Make
Why your shoes off?
You don't want to work.
Why one shoe on and one shoe off?
Make a bird get killed. I ain't really so scared of a bird. I'm not scared for a bird to come in my house.
Stop the camera.